In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw any cryptocurrency from the platform Gate.io. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on Gate.io, you simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can currently get up to $6,000 in bonuses. Simply enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. So to withdraw any crypto now, you simply go up here to Assets, and then click on Spot Account. Then we have to go up here to Withdraw. Then choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw right here. Just click on here. You will see your available balances right here. You can also search for a coin, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum. In this case, I'm just going to withdraw some US dollar Tether. Click on here. Then I click on on-chain right here and enter the address where I want to send the money. So of course you want to send it to your own wallet or to another exchange, for example. If you go on deposit there, you will get your personal deposit address on your wallet or the other exchange, and you have to paste that right in here, and also make sure that you're using the same network as on the other exchange or wallet. For most cryptocurrencies, for example Bitcoin or Ethereum, you are always using just the normal Bitcoin or Ethereum network, but for example in USDT there's different networks, so you just need to make sure that you're using the same one. In my case, for example, I'm just going to enter an example address right here. This is a Tron network address, so I'm just going to enter here the Tron network as well. And then I have that all set up. And then down here, I'm going to enter the amount that I want to withdraw. You can also see your available balance right here. In this case, I'm just going to select all. And then all I need to do is just click down here on withdrawal, and it's already completed. If you're also interested in how to withdraw fiat money, so for example, US dollar or euro, how to send that back to your own bank account, make sure to check out the video description. I have a separate video on exactly that. Don't forget to create an account on Gate.io by using the link down from the video description to get the best sign-up bonus possible. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.